heat, I was cussing out loud, thinking about quitting. Looking back now, I'm sure glad I did. 'Cause just when I thought it couldn't get no hotter, I caught a glimpse of the farmer's
Get a little fuel. Keep going. Keep going.
She was just getting home from Panama City. She was all tanned up and my kind of pretty. When her eyes met mine, I was thinking that I sure love my job. As the days got shorter, our talks got longer. The kisses got sweeter and the feelings got stronger. So we'd hop in the truck and get all tangled up every chance we got. We were down by the river all night long. When the sun came up, I was making her home, dragging my